You might be struggling to create engaging content without showing your face, right? What if you could visually explain your ideas with an energy of a live teacher without ever being on camera? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a professional whiteboard animation with animated drawing and a writing hand. This is a secret weapon for making complex topics clear and adding visual storytelling to your videos and building a recognizable style while staying completely faceless. Now, I'll be showing you how it's done by animating a short tale about two curious friends and a very confusing kitchen discovery. Now, this is how the story goes. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your Play Store and you need to search for an app called Benime. Link to the app in the description below. Now this is the app that you are supposed to download. I'm going to install it. After downloading, you need to open the application and you should see such a dashboard. You first need to click on the plus icon. You need to give your project a title, all as one name. Okay. The format section, you need to select the canvas size. Maybe you want to create a video for YouTube or you want with YouTube, create the project. You should see all these elements. And I am currently on the first canvas. Okay. The first thing that I want to start with is the title of the story. So I'll click the text option down below on my screen. The cat and the rooster. I'll insert it. And down below you should see some options. You need to select the font that you want. This is the first option. I'll click maybe Patrick. Maybe that's the font family that I feel that suits the story. Okay. And then I'll need to increase the font size. Right now it is 160. I can increase it to 160. And remember, this is entirely based on your project requirements. The cat and the rooster. And then I need to include an animation. I'll tap on the animation. There are several animations that you can select. You need to just slide on the left, from right to left, and you should see some other animations. Tap on whichever animation that you feel like suits the title. You can play around with them. For me, I need to select the flash, and then that should be it. It will be applied on the text. And then I'll need to click on the gray section of the screen. It will go back to home, and then I'll need to animate this one. I'll tap on the play page, and now I feel that the animation is taking too long. So what I'm going to do is, so if you want to edit the animation, you simply need to tap on the text and then I'll come to the animation, or rather I need to change the animation duration. I'll select one, maybe 1 second, and that should be it. Click on the gray section again and then play the video again. Maybe I feel the first section is done. I'll click on the plus icon on the next canvas. Now, scene 1 is all about the cat and the rooster. The cat and the rooster playing at a home. So what I'm going to do is insert an element. Now in here I have options to select. I can go with pre-made options or characters, or I can insert them here. But let's use the pre-made ones so that I can show you how it works. You can pick a casual male, corporate female, all that. But our interest is in the home, and I don't want to scroll through all these things. So what I'm going to do is go back to home and then click on the elements again, and then I'll search in the clippers. I'll search for a home or a house. Select this one and then I'll increase it in size. So I'll just click on the icon that looks like a diamond on the bottom right and then increase it in size. Okay, this is the house. I'll just move it. After making sure that the house is in the right format and the right size, I need to click on the gray section and then add another character, the cat and the rooster. So I'll search here the cat instead of scrolling through the other options. Cat. Select the graphic picture that you feel that suits the occasion. I'll click that one and then I'll place it on the bottom of my screen here, besides the animated logo, which I'll show you how to actually remove it. I'll then tap on the gray section and then add another element. Click on the elements tab and then search on the rooster, or let's say it's called cock or hen. Let me call it hen. I'll scroll through and here is a rooster. So I will resize the image. After resizing, I need to flip the image. So I'll scroll through the options and then flip. Okay, so that the two friends face each other. Let's go to the next canvas. Let's go to the next scene, which is one afternoon they were playing together. So I'll click on the elements again and then I'll search the house again. Now it's the same house that I have used in the previous canvas, and then I'll search for the sun. Remember, this is an afternoon. Sun. I'll tap on just the usual sun and I place it, and I'll place it on the right, left, and then I'll place it on the left part of the screen. Okay, and that should be it. I'll go to the next canvas. Now I'll then finalize on this story. I'll click on the elements and then I'll search the clay parts, or actually I'll add an image for that matter. Should click on the image that I want to use, and this is the image that I'm going to use. I'll resize it and click on the gray section of my screen, and that's it. If you are convinced now that your story is complete, this way you need to introduce the hand. You simply need to click on the first canvas, okay, and then you'll scroll through. On the bottom of your screen, you need to scroll through from left to right. You should see the hand. Tap on it, and then you need to select the hand that you want to use. Maybe I want to use which one? Maybe I want to use this hand, and then play page. And remember, if you include an animation in the canvas, the hand won't work. Okay. However, for the second canvas, it will work because there is no animation. So this is where the hand will work. If I play the page, you will see that the hand should create all these elements if they are creating from scratch. To remove the logo, you simply need to tap on the logo and make sure that you are connected to the internet. And the watch ads button should be enabled. You need to tap on it and then watch the ad. And after playing the ad, it should remove automatically, or you can pay so that the logo will be removed permanently. After I have ensured that my animation is good, I need to tap on the share icon on top of my screen and I'll call it cut. I'll make the movie and it should render, and in some few seconds it should be done. I'll then play the movie to see how it works. And that should be it. And of course, you can add voiceovers to go hand in hand with the graphical animation, but that's completely your choice. And based on your project, you might use other elements. Of course, you can do other adjustments and make sure that you play around with some features in the application, such as the duration, color. Play around with some features in the apps, which will give taste to the animation. And that should be it. Be productive and see you on the next one.